How to clear your Instagram search history. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can clear our search history on Instagram. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. Clearing your Instagram's search history is a fairly simple task. What we have to do for this is we have to go ahead and then just launch the Instagram application. Tap on the search bar from the bottom, and let's say you have got a couple of search history over here, right, like this. So what you have to do to delete your search history is tap on the search bar again, then tap this option called see all. Now you can also choose to remove individual search histories by tapping the X icon next to it, but you can tap on the see all button from the top right hand side. After you tap on see all, you'll find all your search history. Now you can tap on clear all button right there, then tap the clear all button to delete all of your search history on Instagram. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.